So in this video, we're going to talk about a recent requirement that we got from a client who said that they need separate income accounts depending on where the sale happened in Odoo, right? Because currently the workflow is if you go to Odoo and you open one of the products, so let's say this one, you can only configure what income account this goes to by either going to the product category. So I set this up with this category, which is goods. So you can set up which income account this goes to, right? Um, but the problem with that is, it will always go to the same category, right? So uh, it doesn't matter if it's a website sale, a manual sale, wholesale sale, POS sale. It'll always go to that category. So what we did is we've created a module exactly for this, and I'll go ahead and activate it. It's called Invoice Medium Income Account. Right. So what's going to happen is it's going to take advantage of the seal module order info, this field, the medium field, right? So in standard Odoo, the salesperson would have to manually fill this out regardless, and that's a problem when it comes to to online sales orders, because that's usually confirmed automatically. um so what we're going to do is we'll just go to configuration and settings, and go to website, and there should be a new option here that says that if it's a website sales medium, if it's a website sale, then it should automatically be assigned to, let's say, the website, right? The website medium. So that's the first setting that we need to configure. The next one is we will need to go to accounting and go to configuration, and now we have this new menu here. It says medium income accounts. So what we're going to do is we're going to say that if it's a website sale, always assign it to the website income. Right? So to test this out, I'm going to go to shop, and I'll just randomly pick an item here. Right. And what happens is if I go to sales, right, one thing that you would notice is the medium is automatically set because we configured for all website orders to come into here, right? And when this order is confirmed, so I'm going to manually confirm that for now. And if I create an invoice, it becomes automatically set to website income. So what this module does is it adds another layer in resolving the different accounts depending on what medium the sale was made in.